Alright guys, let's kick things off with a real-world problem that's highlighting the vulnerabilities in our global healthcare system: the Augmentin shortage. We've seen reports from Ireland and Nigeria where this common antibiotic is in critically short supply. Asterisk, show news headlines and graphics illustrating the shortage in different countries. Asterisk, this isn't just an inconvenience. Imagine the frustration of needing a crucial medication and finding it unavailable. The anxiety for patients, the challenge for doctors. This scarcity underscores the interconnectedness of our global pharmaceutical supply chains and the potential risks of relying heavily on a few major manufacturers. Asterisk, show images of empty pharmacy shelves and worried patients. Asterisk, this crisis is affecting people worldwide, underscoring a critical need for diversified production and resilient supply chains. We'll explore the reasons behind this and the consequences, and then we'll delve into a shining example of innovative problem-solving. Now, amidst this global Augmentin crisis, there's a truly inspiring story coming out of Nigeria. MeCure Industries has secured approval to launch the first locally manufactured alternative to Augmentin, called amoxiclav. Asterisk, show images of MeCure Industries' facility, their product, and their leadership team. Asterisk, this is huge. This breakthrough represents a significant step towards addressing the accessibility issue surrounding crucial medications in Nigeria. Think about it: reducing reliance on imports, creating local jobs, and ensuring a more stable supply of essential antibiotics. This demonstrates the power of local initiative and underscores how innovation can solve critical problems. Asterisk, show maps illustrating Nigeria's location and the impact of local production. Asterisk, but this success is more than just an isolated achievement in Nigeria. MeCure also integrated a state-of-the-art track and trace solution, demonstrating a commitment to pharmaceutical integrity unmatched by even giants in the industry. This is a model that other countries facing similar circumstances could learn from. It's a reminder that even within challenges, opportunity thrives, and that innovative solutions are essential to strengthening healthcare infrastructure globally. The Augmentin shortage isn't just about availability, it's also about cost. We've seen dramatic price increases in various markets, often driven by supply chain disruptions, currency fluctuations, and increasing inflation. Asterisk, show graphs displaying the sharp increase in Augmentin prices. Asterisk, this price hike brings up another very serious ethical question. For example, in Nigeria, imported brands were reportedly 5 times more expensive than the year before. Patients are facing impossible choices: forgoing necessary treatment or incurring massive debt to afford life-saving medication. This highlights the inequalities within the global healthcare system and the urgency to address cost-related barriers to essential medications. Asterisk, show images depicting the financial strain on families impacted by high drug prices. Asterisk, we're talking about potentially life or death decisions here, and not everyone is equipped to handle those. This underscores the importance of affordable and accessible healthcare, a fundamental human right that many are fighting to obtain worldwide. Let's shift gears now to the increasing role of AI in healthcare. While AI offers incredible potential to improve diagnostics, personalize treatments, and streamline workflows, it also raises major ethical concerns. Asterisk, show images illustrating AI applications in healthcare, diagnostics, drug discovery, robotic surgery. Asterisk, one of the biggest concerns is algorithmic bias. If the data used to train AI models reflects existing societal biases, the resulting algorithms could perpetuate and even amplify those inequalities. Imagine an AI system misdiagnosing patients from minority groups due to inherent biases in the data it was trained on. The consequences could be catastrophic. Asterisk, show a graph representing the potential for bias in AI algorithms. Asterisk, and what about the potential for job displacement? Will AI-driven automation lead to fewer healthcare professionals being needed, leading to fewer opportunities and greater inequality, even within the well-funded nations? We need to implement ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure AI is used responsibly and equitably in healthcare. Thoughtful development and transparent implementation of AI safeguards are critical to ensuring it benefits everyone, not just a select few. And now for a fascinating look at how AI is being used to solve very different, but perhaps even more critical problems. We've seen a significant article discussing the skilled labor shortage in manufacturing, specifically the need for 3.8 million new workers projected between 2024 and 2033, a need many believe will go unfilled. Asterisk, show statistics illustrating the skills gap in manufacturing. Asterisk, traditional training methods are simply too slow, inflexible, and insufficient to meet this massive challenge. But AI offers a powerful solution: AI-powered personalized learning platforms. Asterisk, show images of AI-powered training platforms in use. Asterisk, these platforms can analyze vast amounts of data to create customized learning experiences for each worker, from onboarding training to ongoing professional development. This personalized approach can significantly reduce training time, improve learning outcomes, and ultimately lead to a more efficient and skilled workforce. This represents a paradigm shift in manufacturing training, and one which could be broadly applied to many other sectors facing similar difficulties. Asterisk, show examples of AI-powered learning modules, virtual reality training, and simulated work environments. Asterisk, as businesses grapple with a constant churn in their workforce, AI-driven personalized learning presents an exciting opportunity to improve employee satisfaction, create a more engaged and skilled workforce, and ultimately improve the bottom line, improving the potential productivity from both high and low-skilled workers in a much more holistic way. Let's turn to Asia now, specifically Singapore, which is a global leader in medical tourism. Singapore has successfully integrated cutting-edge medical technology with a luxurious and patient-centric approach. Asterisk, show images of Singapore's state-of-the-art hospitals and medical suite hotels. Asterisk, they're known for their advanced capabilities in areas like oncology, cardiology, and advanced surgeries, attracting patients from around the world seeking specialized care. But it goes beyond the advanced techniques. It is an entire experience. Asterisk, show video clips of medical suite hotels, patient testimonials, and information on Singapore's seamless healthcare system. Asterisk, Singapore's medical tourism model is a powerful example of combining technology, luxury, and exceptional medical practice to create a highly desirable experience for patients. The concept of medical suite hotels, where patients can recover in comfortable, well-equipped surroundings, further enhancing the patient experience, is both lucrative and forward-thinking. However, Singapore's model also highlights the ethical considerations that countries like Singapore must navigate. Balancing the economic benefits of medical tourism with the needs of its domestic population is critical, and Singapore demonstrates a thoughtful approach to that challenge. Asterisk, show graphs illustrating Singapore's economic growth tied to medical tourism and its strategic focus on sustainability in the sector. Asterisk, this example is worth studying for nations hoping to promote their own healthcare sectors internationally. There are clear lessons on how economic development and excellent healthcare can intertwine and grow together. Let's talk about another area where AI is making a significant impact: industrial maintenance, repair, and operations, MRO. Fluke Reliability and Augmentin have teamed up. Asterisk, show logos and images of Fluke Reliability and Augmentin products. Asterisk, by integrating a connected worker platform with AI-powered enterprise asset management solutions, they're aiming to boost productivity, enhance employee experiences, and improve overall efficiency in industrial settings. Imagine workers constantly connected to the latest information, accessing real-time support and expert guidance, leveraging AI for predictive maintenance to minimize downtime. Asterisk, show a video showcasing how Fluke Reliability and Augmentin solutions work together. Asterisk, this partnership highlights a collaborative approach to leveraging technology to improve workflows and address industry challenges. The innovative strategy focuses on the human element, providing support and training through technology, empowering employees to be more effective in creating a happier, better-trained workforce and reducing significant expenditure for the company by reducing downtime. This demonstrates how industrial technology is evolving to address the skills gap and optimize operations in a rapidly changing economic environment.